Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa if you are new here, and this is my channel called Naturealizta.beauty. If you are a returning subscriber or visitor, welcome back. Welcome to the party. Today, I will be filming a tutorial for my sorority, Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. Today's tutorial will involve a Centennial makeup look that sorors can use if they want to learn how to do a blue look. Today's video will also include not only a blue look, but glitter blue look that you can transform from the simple blue look. So, without further ado, let's go to the video. So to start off, you want to use an eyeshadow base or a primer on your eyes before applying eyeshadow. I am using the P. Louise base, and I'm going to just apply a bit to my hand and then apply it to my eyes. So I'm going to take this flat shader brush and I'm going to use it to tap into a neutral brown color and just begin patting it onto my eyelids. And you want to do this because we're going to use this as a transition shade. With transition shades, you use colors that are neutral and close to your skin tone, and then you build up the color closer and closer to the color that you're gonna actually use on the lids. Then I'm gonna take this blending brush and just blend the color I just applied to both eyes out so you can't see where it starts and where it ends. You can achieve this by doing circular motions or windshield wiper motions like you see here. So now you want to go back in and pack on an orange shade like right under that color that you just blended in, and then also follow up with blending that color in as well. So here I'm using my matte book palette, but you can use any matte royal blue to start packing on your lid. I did that right here, and I used the same flat shader brush to just pack it on my lid right under my crease. And that's what I'm gonna do to both eyes. And next, if you have a blue that is shimmery like this one, you can use your finger to apply it to your eyelid directly, or you can wet your brush and apply it directly. But I like to use my fingers for shimmer because it comes out more stronger, and I'm gonna do that to both eyes. And for that shimmer, I used the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I dipped my finger in this blue right here. However, if you have any palette, you can dip your finger in any royal blue shimmer. And this is how it looks. So I didn't get to show you in the beginning when I used the neutral colors, but I got it from this ColourPop Perception palette, and I'm gonna go back in with those same colors and blend out the blue into my crease so it looks like it's faded. So what I'm doing is dipping my brush into those two colors and I'm blending it. So you can't see where the shades start and end. You wanna have them look like they're diffused. Next, you want to dip into a white or a silver and apply it with a pencil brush or just a skinny brush into the corners of your eyes. I know this looks a little messy right now, but I'm going to go back in and fix it with my shimmer again. I'm going to go back in and add more shimmer after that to blend it all out. So this is how it looks so far. And now I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner. You don't have to use an eyeliner if you don't know how to use an eyeliner, but I'm gonna go in with my liquid eyeliner and just apply it to my eye. I have a tutorial on my channel if you wanna go check it out. I'll also leave it down below in the description box and above. But with eyeliner, you wanna apply it as close to your lash line as possible. Then you just want to go in with any mascara you have and apply it to your lashes. I like to wear fake eyelashes on top, so that's what I will be following up with, but you do not have to if you do not wear false eyelashes. So this is the first look. You can do this or this second part and apply a royal blue glitter. I use my glitter glue from NYX to put on my hand. So I'm just gonna scoop just a little bit out. And then I'm just gonna pour out some glitter in the top cap, just a little bit because I only need it for my eyes. And then I'm gonna use that same brush and tap into this glitter. Isn't that pretty? So once again, I tapped into the glue and I'm just applying it right on top of my eyeshadow under my crease. You don't want to go above the crease because then when you look up, you're going to still see glitter. So I'm just applying it on my eyelid, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, applying it under my crease. And your crease is where your eye folds. Then I'm gonna take that same brush and pat it into the glitter and pat that glitter onto my lid wherever I applied the primer. So you see that the glitter is sticking after I applied the primer to my eyelid. So I am applying it to my other eye the same way, and this is how it looks right now. So I'm applying my beautiful lashes from my own beauty brand. You can check down below for my link, and I'm gonna apply it. So here we are with the lashes, and then I'm gonna jump to my face, starting with my primer. You can use any primer that you want, but I decided to use this e.l.f. primer, and this e.l.f. primer along with their products is very affordable. So I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna rub it in everywhere and let it sit for a few minutes before I apply my foundation. And now I'm applying my foundation to my face. I am using a Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm just dabbing everything in until it blends out. So as you see here, like I'm just tapping it and rubbing it onto my face.
I know it sounds super gross, so I know. Well, don't take me.
In this moment, you are everything.
Here's the thing. If you know who you are, it's not like you share it. I mean, you're a nice guy with a...
I want to show you something. You want to know me? Bet. I'll show you exactly who I am.
Business. I feel like this is good stuff, you know? Like this is good for me.
And now I'm just applying a little bit of concealer under my eyes and in areas of my face that I want to bring light to or highlight. So as you can see here, I look like I'm in a tribe. And then I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender sponge and just blend that all out. I like to do under my eyes last to let the concealer sit a little bit. I feel like it just looks better when it dries down a bit, but I am dabbing in the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna go back to my eyes. And I'm gonna go back in with that same brush that I applied the foundation and just dabbing around it so you can't see where things start and end. You want everything to look flawless. And now I am blending out under my eye, and then I'm gonna probably go in with the same foundation brush and dab around so you can't see where the concealer starts and ends. Here I'm contouring my face just a little bit, and I'm contouring it where my face has a bit of shadow or where I want shadow to go. So I could have used a darker color, but this is fine for now. So I'm just applying a darker concealer, and then I'm going to blend it out with my blender. And as you can see, you can start to see that shadow where my cheeks are looking snatched. Next, I'm gonna set my face with some loose powder wherever I put the foundation at, the concealer at, and then I am gonna pat it on my hand and then dab it on my face because I can't stand that extremely white look. And then I'm taking my fluffy brush and just patting it in and brushing off whatever is extra. Then I am going to follow up with my powder contour palette and use that to set wherever I put that dark concealer at. Now you want to go in with a blush of your choice. I'm using a Tarte blush, but you can use any blush. And you just want to tap a little bit onto your brush and then tap and blend it onto your cheeks. And you want to do it up on an angle. And then I'm going to follow up with my highlight, which you can use any highlight. And I have a fan brush, so I just patted it in the highlight, and now I'm applying it to my face. And you can see that there's a brightness going on my cheeks. And to finish off, I have a lipstick and a gloss to top it with. And I'm going to apply this ColourPop lipstick. It's like $6. And I'm using it as a nude color because I'm not going to sit here and use a blue on blue. And I'm just going to dab it a little bit, blot my lips, and then follow up with the gloss on top of it. And I like this because my lips are dark around the edges and it kind of gives that lip liner effect. So this is the second final look and I am done with this tutorial. I really hope this tutorial helped. And if you loved anything or if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching. Happy 100 years.